Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to the very first video of my YouTube channel. I have created this really soft, glam, warm toned, everyday makeup look, and if you want to see how I created it, keep watching. I will be using e.l.f. primer. For foundation, I will be using e.l.f. This is one of my favorite foundations till now. I use this really helpful palette from Inside Cosmetics. So I have pretty much blended everything into my face. We need to set it using a translucent powder, but I ran out of translucent powder. I have banana powder. I will use that inside cosmetics. Be using a small fluffy brush to go really close to my under eye so that it just goes to every corner and sets everything. And my concealer does not crease. So what I do is I look up and then I can select. I look up and I do it. See, I have combination skin, so my T-zone usually gets really ugly. This is my favorite step. I really like using blush, and I'm skipping bronzer and I'll be going for blush. And I do have blush pointers, though today I want to keep it really subtle. Next will be my eyes, and I really want to stick to what my eyes are naturally looking. I will be using chocolate rose gold palette. It's from I Love Revolution. I really like playing with this. So I will be using the shade My Own and Girl Boss. So pick My Own and apply the crease of my eyes. So it just gives a subtle depth to the eye. So a little bit of Girl Boss, and just putting it at the outer corner, like this crease of, I don't know, my eyelid and this place. So like this place I'm using it. Just looks like my eye is bigger. So it gives the illusion of a bigger eyelid. Doing on the other side as well. I'm feeling like using a little bit of glitter. For that, I will be using this shade right here. It's called Gold Dicker on my eyelid. Just the central part of the eyelid. Take a brush to blend it in. Blend it in. What I like to do next is highlight my eyebrow bone. So I'll be using the same shade, Independent, and I will be highlighting. Next thing will be my mascara. I am using Loreal Paradise voluminous lash Paradise one, and just a little bit, not too fake or clumpy. Fingers here, and the most part of the makeup is done. Now I'll move on to my lips. For the lips, I like to mix two colors. One is this maroon, and another one is a lip gloss. This is from Morphe, and I will be using the maroon one as my lip liner, and I'll be applying the gloss after that. you're done. So this was it. Leave any suggestions you have in the comment section. If you guys liked the video, drop a like and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.